Orcas are the most dominant predators in the ocean, not because they're the biggest, but because they're the smartest. They hunt in organized groups, using teamwork and communication. Even sharks aren't safe. When hunting sharks, orcas work together to flip them upside down, triggering a natural paralysis called tonic immobility. The shark freezes instantly. Then the orcas target the liver, which is packed with energy, and often leave the rest of the body behind. This strategy is so effective that when orcas enter an area, great white sharks abandon it completely. Brains, numbers, and strategy. That's why orcas sit at the top of the ocean food chain.